How to get globed after 2.2081 update in Geometry Dash and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open Google Chrome and then search for globe gd GitHub and then click on this releases button. Here, click on assets and then download this one which says dankmeme.globe2.geode. Just click on this and it will download. Now what you need to do is open Geometry Dash and then click on this button. Here what you need to do is click on this gear button and then click on install from file. Here select the file which you downloaded and then click on open, and now just click on apply, OK, and then as you can see it is added here. Just click on restart now, and once it restarts it will automatically be shown here. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.